Okay, so in home file, you will be calling again CSS, but first go to the CSS file, add some property inside, body, background, no color, give as a white only, or what you can do, background you give as a sky blue, then give padding from top 0 px, from left to right 50 px, from bottom also 0 px padding. Then after that, write a container, hash container. For this hash container, you will give width. No need to mention mean height. Mean height 500 px. Background is white, and okay, so what we'll do is, let's mention width also, somewhere 80%, margin also auto, so that it will come in center, and border radius, if you remember yesterday property, border radius 5 px. So this we can come to the HTML file, and we can check how it appeared. One more property you can add here, text hyphen align here, text align as a center.
There it could be border radius, no? Or border will also.
Border radius can add, border hyphen radius, RADIUS 5px. You can increase also till 10px. So come to the HTML file now, home.html. Home.html file. In home.html file, you are going to write HTML head section. Under the head section, we will call the CSS. There with the body section. HTML head and body. Okay, hope ready. Now come, you have remember this method, link rel equal to style set, href equal to style dot css, style dot css, link rel style set, href equal to style dot css. Okay, put detail here. After that, check the file. Background will come in sky blue. You have to use a section tag here, and in section tag, what will be the ID that you have written just now as a container. You will follow h1 here. There you can write call welcome home. Right. So what is the background color? Something like this. In this container, can you write padding top? In container, just write the padding 15 px. In ID container, write padding 15 px. The ID of created container, go to the CSS, write there padding 15 px. So we can go to the CSS file and we have container. Inside you add a padding property, curl padding 15 px. It will be fine, no problem. Okay, so some gap got applied. Now can you increase the font size of h1? How you will increase? h1 color, blue color, font hyphen size 50 px. Right, so whole font size got increased, and something like this. Now let's go ahead with the first HTML. We'll add the HTML, then we'll come to the CSS. So in HTML file, before section tag, add one, again UL tag, and follow the li tag. Under UL tag, li tag you write and keep inside. Similar way, href, current file name. So what is the current file? Current file is called home.html. We can write here called home. Add some about service, customer, and product. About us, our services, my customer, and then popular products. Okay, hope written. Now the CSS you are calling here, it is not import method. The CSS you are calling here, it is not import method, it is a link method. We are using the link method, we are calling a external CSS file. The external CSS file, we can call using two ways. We can call using two ways. One is using link method, and one more method we are going to follow here. Let's go. Okay, now open the style, close the style, come inside, right here, call @import space URL, @import space URL. The file name you can write here, style.css. @import space URL, style.css. Hope ready. Check now. Same output or different? Okay. Because CSS file is same. The way of calling is different. The way of calling is different. When we use the link method, that is also used to call external CSS. When we use the import method, that is also used to call the external CSS. Import method will be slow. Import method will be slow to execute, whereas link method will be fast to execute. Using import method, if you are creating a web page, the page execution time will be little slow. But using link method, if you are creating the pages and linking, the execution time will be fast. Okay. Now, when developer develop the application, you can use import method also, you can use the link method also. But when the file will go to the server, when we upload the final executable program in the server, that time your file should not be import method. Your file must convert into link. Development it is slow is okay, but production final server, the where the product is by user, that server should not be slow. Okay. So if the people ask what is the difference between link and import, you can say both are external CSS. Link method also can call it, and the import method also can call it. If I am following the import method, the page execution will be little slow because CSS file loading will take some time. If I am following the link method, page execution will be fast because it is not going to load the file, it is going to link the file. You can see here what is the keywords are used. Import. Import meaning is what? Import meaning is bringing the file. Import meaning is bringing the file. And link meaning is what? Linking the file. Suppose you have a cartoon sitting in the, suppose you have a laptop sitting is available in Delhi. You want to bring to Bangalore. It will take some time. But if you want to link the laptop from Bangalore to where? Delhi. From your computer, you want to link the laptop through internet, we can link it. So which one will be the fast? Bringing the laptop to Bangalore or linking the laptop to laptop? Linking method will be fast. CSS also says like your CSS file will be in the server. When a user will open the website, linking will happen. From user computer, one link will establish to the server. Okay, and that link will point to where? CSS file as well. So link method will be fast, whereas import method will be slow. Okay, and market don't want you to develop slow application. Market want you to develop the fast application. So for that we are going to use always which method? Link method only. We are going to use the link. Go ahead next. You can make a note, write a note. Link method will establish a link, so it will be fast. Import method will import the CSS, that will be a slow. One line, both are same thing. Both are going to call the external CSS file only. Link method will not download the file, it just establish a link, that will be faster. Import method will download the file, that will become a slower. Okay, next after that, go to the which file? CSS file. We have to write the CSS for this ULLI. Okay, UL and LI. We will go here. and we'll write the CSS for UL tag directly. UL margin hyphen top 30 px. After that, text hyphen align keep center. Margin top 30 px, text align as a center. Background white. Okay. Next, after that, you will write display colon flex, and even you will write flex hyphen wrap, so that margin and padding will work. Flex wrap, so that margin and padding will work. If now your all LIs are printing in the same line. Background also we need to change here. Background is a dark blue color. Okay, check now. Hope all the LIs are coming in the same line. Next, go here. Right call. Dots are coming. List hyphen style hyphen type colon none. List style type none. So dot will not appear. Next, you will follow UL of LI padding from top 18 px, from left right 30 px, from bottom also 18 px. This is for ULLI. Check now. Some space got applied. Space got applied. This space why it is coming, we have to find it out where this space come from. But for that, no problem, we can get it easily. We have to do something next. Okay, so in this first margin top 30 px we are given. Keep inside also one more property called margin colon 0 px. Let me see what is happening in that margin 0 px. Any value is coming or not? Yeah, it's correct now. Okay.
Sir, mine that dark blue color is not coming, sir.
Spelling you check. Give black color.
Yes, sir. Spelling is correct.
Semicolon you check. Check other possibility. 2 line before you read. 2 line later also you read.
Okay.
In UL margin top 30 px, that is required. Margin 0 px and margin top 30 px.
First it will give from all the side margin 0 px.
Okay.
First it will give all the side margin 0 px. After that only from the bottom it will give margin 30 px. Because of that line is written in that order. First from
Okay,
all the side gap how much? 0 px. After that only from the top side gap how much? 30 px. If we change the position it will become wrong. Change that. First keep 30 px and then keep margin 0 px. You will find some difference.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವೈರಸ್ ನಮಗೂ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೂ ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೂ ಹಾಂ ಹೌದಾ ಆಗತ್ತೆ
Okay, so what it says, it says like for UL, for UL from top 18, left right 30, bottom also how much? 18. Now after that, the text should get color in different color. Text should be a white color. So for that you have to write ULLI and then A, ULLI and then A. The color should be white color. After that, you can write here call ULLIA. After that, next we can write here text hyphen decoration as a none. There should not be any kind of underline, and font hyphen size. Font hyphen size. Keep 20 px or 18 px is also okay. Ready? Now see, space is gone, underline is gone. Next, you can write in that ULLI colon hover, ULLI colon hover. Background should be ULLI colon hover. Background should be orange color. Wherever you move the mouse for UL, the background will convert into orange color or maybe black color, any color, whichever the color you want. You can add here, should be cross color little. So ready, save it, move the mouse, see happening. Next, after that, under the UL, you keep text align center. Text align center will not work because of this property. Which property? Display flags. There is a property called content justify center. Content justify center. Let me try that. Or justify content center. Justify hyphen content hyphen justify content center. Let me see this. What is happening on that? It's appear. Justify content center is forcing it to come in the middle. Hope ready. Let's go next. You have to create another class or ID, you can say, has active, put background color white. But white will be difficult. White will prepare, then in white will not be visible. Okay. Green color or any other color, purple color should not be white color, different. Exclamation important. Exclamation important. Okay, hope ready. Now take this active and come to your home file, and for first li id equal to active. See what is happening. Okay, purple color has come. Purple or something else. What I wrote? Purple only. It's not looking highlighted color. Let me convert into green. GREEN. Green white combination may be more highlighted. Green or red. Red. Red white is okay. Okay.
Sir,
Next, after that,
sir, you said in UL the text align center will not work, sir. So why it will not work?
text justifies, you can add justify content center. If you use the flags, display flags, text align will not work.
Okay, okay, sir.
If you use the display flags, text align will not work.
Yes, sir.
Of this margin 0 px and let it be little gap below. Margin top is okay. So remove that. Some gap is fine. That look better. In UL margin 0 pixel was there. I removed that and we given some gap. We'll add here few border radius. Border radius somewhere 10 px. It will look better. Okay, hope ready. Little radius will get applied and that will fit properly. So hope looks similar. Okay. Go ahead next. How many file we need to create? About, service, customer, product. So home file you can copy and you can create remaining all the files, paste over there and change the ID. Which ID? Active ID you have created, you change in all the places. So we'll go ahead and we'll paste in the new file. File name is about.html. Change the heading as about us. Change ID equal to active. Okay. Create next file again. Service.html. Service.html. There our services. ID you change to next file you create customer. The customer.html. Customer link will be active. Next file you create product.html. Our popular product. Check now, all the pages are loading. Okay, so hope ready. EBOUT about us. Check now. Okay, so all pages are ready. Now in all the pages, see product is written here. That meaning you are going to display some product. How you want to display, you need to decide. Customer is written here. You can display some customer name, mobile, email, city, pin code, table or division. Do that. Our services, you can display here something. Think something what to display so that it look better. About us, display about your company, some photos, logo, something. Home page, display something in the home page. Okay, this 4 pages, not 4 pages. Total how many pages? 5 pages. Okay, what you will add and how better you can create your task. Pages are ready based on which method? Import method. Okay, previous page also you have seen about us. When you say about us, open any company about us page, see what they have written, how they have added, right? Services page, open any company services page, see how they have added, what content they have added, put something like that. My customer, your base, you can display in table or anything. Product page, open any company product page, go to their website, open any product page, see how they have organized the photos, text and all, do something. Okay, so that is one small challenge for you and that is your work. Okay, you are going to do that. I have some hospital work I will be going now, and then tomorrow we will enter under the JavaScript. Saturday we have a class for Bootstrap morning 8 o'clock, 8 to 10. Sunday also we'll have a class morning 8 to 10. You can come here, join online, your wish. Okay, so instead of sitting at 11, we'll sit little early, 8 to 10, 8 to 10 when on Saturday and Sunday for Bootstrap. And Monday to Friday we'll continue with the JavaScript. Okay, hope clear. This 4-5 pages what you have got. Try something, spend some time. It's a kind of design, is an art. As much as you spend the time, you will get more idea. Okay, so let's implement.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, in that dark blue color before home, about us, and one black dot is coming, sir.
Where black box is coming?
That home and about us before that all. One.
Where? Here.
Yes, sir. Before all that, before home, before about us, before our services.
No, that is a blue. That is coming from the UL.
No, sir. One black color spot dot.
Where is the black color? I cannot see black color anywhere.
No, in my sir, in my page.
I don't know what you have written. You may have written the background is a black.
Background
I will
is
share you the CSS code. You can use this.
okay.
import CSS file I send, and along with that I send you the home file also. Let me share you all the files. You can use whichever the files you required. CSS file also I sent you. Tomorrow you need to download this one called Node.js. Node.js, download and install before class. Another one, VS Code editor, download and install before class. After installation, installation of both, restart system once. Okay, after installation of Node.js, you can restart, install the Node.js and VS Code, and then restart it. That is for what purpose? Whenever you install a new application in your system, it will set up a environment variable. Okay, environment variable. In some computer, it will set up without restarting. In some computer, we need to restart. So better for everyone, you can restart and then you can log in. Will be helpful to continue from there. Okay, then we'll guide you what syllabus and how we are going to learn that. Hope the files you are downloading if required.
Thank you, sir.